Munyaroo Conservation Park, starred knobtail gecko, Nephrurus stellatus. These gorgeous little spots on its back, like the stars out of the night. It's about 27 degrees tonight and overcast. I found this little guy just by the side of a track. Their breeding season from November through to about January, February. This one looks like it might be gravid. Ready to lay 2 eggs. Beautiful little girl. You can see those bulges in her belly. They have 2 really soft-shelled eggs that they lay. This little tail they have, they use that as a lure. They attract spiders, scorpions with it. They're the main things they eat.